Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Canon Pixma MG7750. Now, although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make all of the button presses I make very clear so you can follow it regardless of what language your printer's in and what language you would like it changed to. So, we need to be on the home screen of the printer. If you're not already on a screen that looks like this, you'll have a home button lit over here, so press that to be taken here. And from here, we drag the screen along to the right, and then we need to go into setup, which is represented by a screwdriver and a pair of pliers, like you can see here. And from this screen, we go into device settings, which is the second option down. And you can see it's got this icon here with like the little sliders on there. Press go into there. Then language selection is the fifth option down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just slightly covered by a gradient on the bottom of the screen. Drag it up, click on that one. And here we have a list of all the languages your printer uses. English is almost at the top there. So if you're anywhere else on the screen and you want it to be in English, just drag the screen down until it's presented. Second option from the top. And once you've clicked on it, you're done. Please do give this video a like if you found it useful. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching this short video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.